Stress is cruel.
Fame's a lie, but you're special on every level. Success is cool, money is fine, but you're special, another level. Yo, what's good everyone? It's Marvin from mjo23dan.com. Today I want to show you a really cool sneaker. I think I like it from first in hand, and it is the Air Jordan 3 Bio Biege JTH Man of the Woods Air Jordan 3. So I honestly did not try for this pair. I'm actually borrowing this pair from a homie. Shout out to Christian. If you guys want to follow him, I'll put his name up here on the screen. But basically, this sneaker is inspired by Justin Timberlake's 5th studio album called Man of the Woods. And it is named after his son Silas, which his biblical name means person of the forest. So I thought that was pretty cool. He put a family aspect into the shoe. I still don't understand why Justin Timberlake is a part of the Jordan brand or has done a collaboration with Jordan brand, but the way like he's going out this year is phenomenal. He did Super Bowl 52 in Minneapolis on February 4th. He also dropped his album February 2nd, so it was just around that time. And I also have the original Super Bowl pair. Well, it's not the actual Super Bowl pair, but is the original JTH that is inspired by that pair, with the Tinker-like swoosh right there. Supposedly what the Air Jordan 3 was supposed to look like before Tinker had changed that up. And yeah, again, this is the JTH, also borrowed from the homie Christian. So shout out to you, homie. Thanks for letting me look at these pairs. This is the first time that I'm actually seeing in hand the JTH that released back a couple months ago. And pretty much, I think if you have the Tinker 3, if you guys pretty much have the Tinker 3 or like the clear sole or whatever it's called, it's pretty much the same shoe. Just different colors on the Tinker 3 than it is on the JTH, although this one is going for like a couple hundred more than this one, which I feel like this one is the better pair because of like the contrasting hits of the shoe. You got the dark elephant print, you got the darker leather on there, and then the other hits as well, and then the red back tab, which is like a right in your face, you know what I mean? And then this one is just pretty much the white cement with a 3M swoosh. So that's about it. I didn't really think that this was like that big of a deal. It does have Justin Timberlake's signature on the back, on the right shoe. On the left shoe, it has Tinker Hatfield's signature. And on the Tinker 3, it has Tinker Hatfield's signature on both. So again, like, this is a great sneaker, but this is better. But back to the Bio Biege. Alright, so here's the box to the Justin Timberlake shoe. It's inspired by his album, Man of the Woods, and it's got like that print on there. One thing that I didn't like about this box, however, is the box label. So this lid up here is actually covering up the box labels, so you really don't know what size this is. This is my homie size 11. But I am getting my own pair. I just like wanted to wait to pull the trigger before I saw these in person. So I am getting a pair. The inside of this of the box here, you have that, again, safari-like print. Got the logo of Justin Timberlake's album right there, and then it's, you know, inside the white tissue paper. And that's about it. Nothing else came with the shoe. The style number of the box is AV 6683 and color code is 200. Just go ahead and show you what the box label looks like so you guys can check it out. Okay, and so here are the shoes. It comes with leather laces, the Bio Biege leather laces, and then it comes with the tonal flat laces in a non-Jumpman bag. And then on the other side, on the left shoe, it comes with the red hang tag, pretty much just like the Tinker 3, and then orange laces. So the orange hits on the shoe or on the back of the tongue on both sides, and then on the outsole of the shoe. So you got one pot here, and then the Nike right here on the bottom. And then you also have another hit of it on the left shoe, where on the insole it says "Stress is cruel," just like on the lyrics of Justin Timberlake's song "Higher, Higher." And then on the right shoe you have "Fame is a Lie," and again these are lyrics from the song "Higher, Higher." Speaking of "Higher, Higher," you have that on the medial side right there, just like on the Tinker 3 where it says Nike. You have "Higher, Higher" on the medial sides of the shoes. And then on the left shoe you have Tinker Hatfield's signature, and then on the right shoe you have Justin Timberlake's signature. So speaking of materials, here we have the dark elephant print, which I like. There were samples that were posted, but in the regular elephant print style. I favor pretty much the dark elephant print. I wish that would actually return on the Fire Red 3s whenever those drop again. But you know, that dark elephant print just makes it look like really good. On the back of the shoe, Nike Air. It's a black rubber, and then on the inside of the tab, when you flip it down, it's got the Man of the Woods logo. Not sure how you guys feel about the Nike Air on the back, even though it's not like an OG style colorway, but it is an OG style, I guess, model. I don't know, let me know what you guys feel about Nike Air. I think it should have just had the Jumpman and it would have been fine. Brown leather actually lines the whole entire tongue, and then just below that you have the Volt colorway, just a little hit of the Volt right there on the bottom. I think that they should have also went Volt at the top, or even like on the other eyelets. I don't know. I'm just trying to like think off the top of my head what that. I mean, maybe that little Volt colorway right there is just enough, I suppose. But not really a fan of the leather laces. I would probably put the tonal flat laces in them. Or if you guys really want to make the shoe pop, you guys can put in the orange laces, which will pretty much, like, you know, hit the back side of the tongue there with that pop of color of the orange. On the inside lining of the shoe, I'm not really a fan. It's got like a terry cloth feel to it, and I feel like this is going to get dirty real quick. So if you guys are wearing like black socks, or like you don't really care about like the condition of your sock game, that's gonna get dirty like real quick. So I think they should have made this liner either like leather or some sort. You can keep it the same color, or a black liner would have been fine. But yeah, as far as like the rest of the upper of the shoe, you have a really nice suede on the toe. So as you see me, I put my finger back and forth on the toe there, and you can see like the change of direction of the material. And then hitting the bottom, we have a I wouldn't say like a clear translucent, but it is clear with that hint of smoke. So I think it looks fresh. Let me know what you guys think down below. On the air bubble itself, it's got the orange hit. You know, this shoe, it pretty much reminds me of like the Fear 3 in a way, but with Tinker 3 inspirations. But yeah, that's about it. This is the Man of the Woods, or the JTH Bio Biege Air Jordan 3. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this pair, and I'll also put a link down in the description if you guys want to purchase the pair off StockX. And then also shared in the video the JTH you know, regular or first colorway shoe. I'll also put a link down in the description if you guys want to purchase this pair as well. And then, if you guys didn't know or noticed, I'm wearing my first ever logo branded t-shirt. These I had made a couple weeks ago, and I really wanted to give back and, you know, share with you guys, you know, I guess merch, so to speak. So if you guys are interested in a shirt, I do have it for sale on my website. So you can go to www.mjo23dan.com/shop. And also I have stickers for sale, so if you guys are interested in that, let me know. If you guys buy a shirt, I'll include the sticker for free. If you guys just want stickers, just pay for the stickers. There is a limited supply on the shirts. If it does well, I'll order more. Right now I only have small, medium, large, and extra large. There have been a few people that have contacted me and asked me for 2X or 3X, and even like one person in 4X. Oh my god, 4X. But just want to let you guys know that I'm going to do the small through extra large first, just to see how that does, because I do have to pay a little bit extra for the bigger sizes, but I do want to hook some of you guys up. So anyways, that's about it. If you guys like the content, please subscribe to the channel. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Yo, what's good, guys? It's Yo, what's up, bro? What are you doing here, man? Really? You gonna do me like that? Yo, guys, buy a t-shirt. I'm out. Alright then. Bye. You believe this guy?